It has been 1 year since the first dose of the AstraZeneca COVID-19 jab was administered to Brunette Bernerai, a pharmacist attached to the Georgetown Public Hospital Corporation. That historic moment was witnessed by Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony and other officials of the hospital. The first set of vaccines totaling 3,000 doses, which were used to kickstart Guyana'S immunization campaign, were donated by the government of Barbados. The campaign initially targeted some 22,000 healthcare workers from both public and private institutions. During his COVID-19 update on Friday, Minister Anthony offered a sincere note of thanks to some of the key players who aided in making the vaccination campaign a success during the past 12 months.
And I want to express my sincere thanks to the health workers and everyone who's been involved in the vaccination program. I would also like to express our gratitude to the various donor organizations, because apart from the government of Guyana buying vaccines, we've also received donations from a number of countries, including India, China, the UK.
Overall, 850,735 persons have been administered vaccines in Guyana. This is equivalent to approximately 2,330 persons accessing the jabs each day. The national vaccination campaign over the past year was conducted in phases. A number of healthcare providers were inoculated in February 2021. The vaccination drive was extended to cater for the elderly and persons with comorbidities in March. By May of the same year, persons aged 18 and over were able to access the vaccines. Presently, vaccines are being offered to the 12 to 17 age cohort and persons 18 years and above. The government, according to the minister, is actively pursuing jabs for the 5 to 11 and 6 months age groups. Vaccination reception among the older population has been relatively good.
In terms of 60 years and over, first dose, we are at 83.1%. Second dose, we are at 73.1%. And for the booster shots, we are at 20.6%.
Vaccine hesitancy continues to thrive among adolescents. Meanwhile, the National AIDS Program Secretariat will be launching its annual couples HIV testing drive for Valentine's Day on Saturday, where persons will be able to get screened for several sexually transmitted infections.
It's one way of getting the population to know their status. These days, it's not as extensive as it used to be because of a number of factors. I think a lot of people are more acquainted with the disease. And it is something that we do to just make sure that people are aware.
Temika Rodney reporting for the HGB Nightly News.